I think it's really important that we recognise that the drugs economy is changing, and we're seeing stronger dosages and more dangerous things entering the drugs market in London, and therefore we need to take a different approach. That's why we're visiting the Loop in Enfield. They're one of the few places in the UK that has a Home Office licence to test drugs on site, and so that they can use that real-time information to protect the people visiting their venue. The Loop are able to have a laboratory here on site and are able to use that information to alert partners to anything dangerous, but also obviously alert people in the venue to anything dangerous, and be able to reduce the harms that people face and get wider information on the drugs landscape, which is really important to policing and to health.
When we first started this project, it was never about drum sheds, it was never about Enfield, it was never about us, it was about making sure that the economy in London is a much safer place. So the information isn't just for us, it's for everyone.
So we've seen a lot of different substances come in, so things ranging from the more common drugs we would see in a nightclub, so things like powders or pills of MDMA, for instance. Within that, we've seen that things are very strong, so we have pills that might have 2 or 3 times a regular adult dose. We might have incidents where if someone has 2 or 3 of those that they are in medics, they might be taken off to hospital. So we're trying to get ahead of that by having an idea of how strong these different substances are.
Ultimately, this is about reducing harms. We want to ensure that we have good, clear information that is helpful to all of the team here on site. But importantly, we're generating information which can then reach people who are taking decisions, making choices about their potential drug use.
Through the London Drugs Forum, which I chair, we come together as a partnership across London. It includes the police, local authorities, health partners and voluntary organisations, that we come together with the express aim to protect Londoners from the harms of the drugs landscape and make sure we're doing all we can to reduce that harm and protect Londoners.